Are you ready to learn how to make big money online? I'm talking about earning up to $1,500 every single day without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text, and that's it. Stick around because I'm also going to reveal 2 other websites so you can double up your earnings and an amazing tool that can help you do the whole process in less than 5 minutes in just 3 simple steps to make even more money. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of making money online. Finding content on Google News. So first things first, let's head over to google.com. I mean, come on, who doesn't know that website? Once you're there, go ahead and type in Google News. The first thing that'll show up is news.google.com, which is the official Google News website. Click on that first link, and voila! You're now on the homepage of Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news on anything and everything under the sun. World news, local news, businesses, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health, you name it. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why should I even care about this? How am I going to get paid by just browsing a news site? Let me explain. At the very top of this page, there are lots of different types of news, like news from all around the world, and news about things happening right in your neighborhood. But today, we're not interested in all of that. Nope, today we're only looking at the good stuff. That means we're focusing on things like cool gadgets, fun movies and music, exciting sports games, amazing science discoveries, and tips for staying healthy. So, what do you want to check out first? How about we take a peek at what's new in the world of technology? Click on that word, and you'll find all sorts of neat stuff about computers, phones, and all the latest tech trends. Now, let's say we're curious about what's going on in the health world. Maybe we want to learn about how to eat better or how to stay strong and fit. Well, all we have to do is click on the word health, and voila! We'll find ourselves surrounded by articles and videos all about keeping our bodies happy and healthy. So, go ahead, click on that health category, and let's see what we can discover today. Using Spinbot for unique content. So, now that we've got our hands on the article we're going to work on, let's dive into an exciting part of the process, discovering a neat trick for crafting fresh content. Here's how it goes. First off, like I just showed you, hop onto Google News and pick an article that catches your eye. But hold your horses. We can't just snag it and call it a day. We've got to steer clear of any trouble with plagiarism. And that's where Spinbot swoops in to save the day. Hop on over to spinbot.com and paste the text from the article you chose into the site. Spinbot works its magic by taking that article you nabbed and reshaping it into your own words. Yep, you heard me right. You'll end up with a brand spanking new article, but with the same juicy topic as the one you spotted on Google News. Let me walk you through it. Alrighty, so picture this. We're all set with the article we've picked out to work on. Now comes the fun part, learning a nifty little trick to whip up some original content. Here's the drill. First things first, as I just demonstrated, you'll want to scout around Google News and pluck out an article that piques your interest. But hold on tight, we can't just swipe it and call it a day. We've got to be savvy and steer clear of any plagiarism woes. And here's where Spinbot jumps into action. Head over to spinbot.com, drop in the text from the article you've got your eye on, and watch the magic unfold. Spinbot is like your own personal content wizard, taking that article you found and transforming it into your own unique piece. Voila! Before you know it, you'll have a fresh article, but with the same snazzy topic you stumbled upon in Google News. Let me guide you through the process step by step. Submitting articles for payment. All right, so now that we've got our cool article ready to roll, let's talk about turning it into some big bucks. First things first, you gotta make sure you save that article in a super safe place because we're about to sell it to some websites that are gonna pay us some major cash just for our words. These websites are gonna fork out a whopping $1 for every single word we've written. Yeah, you heard that right? That means if you got 100 words in there, you're looking at $100. Pretty sweet deal, huh? Now, once you've got that article tucked away safe and sound, it's time to dive into the real money-making action. Just stick with me, and I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. We're about to turn those words into some serious dough. So listen up, champ. Once you've got that article safely stored away, it's time to hit the pavement and start selling those words. We're talking about transforming our creativity into cold, hard cash here. And don't worry, I've got your back every step of the way. I'll show you exactly how to approach these websites, how to negotiate like a pro, and how to get the best bang for your buck. Trust me, it's not as hard as it sounds. With a little bit of hustle and a whole lot of determination, we'll have those websites lining up to buy our content in no time. So, get ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of online money making. We're about to turn our words into wealth, one article at a time. Introduction to earning websites. Let me tell you about eatingwell.com, a website that offers a fantastic opportunity for earning some extra cash. They're willing to pay you $1 for every word you write, which is pretty cool, right? Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a professional writer. Well, worry not, because there's a neat trick to this. You can create articles using information from Google News and Spinbot without running into any copyright problems. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle to form your own unique article. And guess what? You won't even have to worry about selling anything or promoting affiliate products. It's all about creating content, and getting paid for it couldn't be simpler. Picture yourself at your desk, fingers tapping away on the keyboard, with every keystroke translating into earnings. It's the transformation of your thoughts and creativity into tangible income. Moreover, with resources like Google News and Spinbot at your disposal, finding inspiration and molding it into your unique expression is effortless. This arrangement benefits both parties. You receive compensation for your writing efforts, while eatingwell.com acquires fresh content for its platform. If you're seeking a straightforward avenue to bolster your income, this presents an ideal opportunity. So, position your hands on the keys and commence your journey towards financial prosperity through writing. Payment process. All right, so you're probably thinking, how do I get money for writing my article? Well, it's pretty straightforward. First off, hop onto the website and take a look around. You'll notice they pay $1 for every word you send their way. That means if your piece is 500 words long, you're looking at $500. Now, once you've scoped out the site, jot down the email address they've got listed. Shoot them an email with the subject line, content submission. Keep it short and sweet. Just mention you've got an article itching to be read and that you're eagerly awaiting their response. And guess what? That's all there is to it. Easy peasy, right? So go on, get those words flowing, and watch the cash roll in. Getting paid for your writing is as simple as pie. When you're on the website, you'll see they pay a neat sum of $1 for every single word you dish out. So, if you've got a lot to say, you could be in for a tidy payday. After you've scoped out the site and seen what they're all about, take note of the email address they provide. Drop them a line with the subject, content submission. Just let them know you've got an article ripe for the picking and you're eager to get it out there. It's a breeze, really. Just a quick email, and you're on your way to earning some serious cash for your words. So what are you waiting for? Start making money online today. That was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. For more exciting ways to earn money online, see you in the next one.